Hi guys, 23rd June, so it's Father's Day in Poland. I just visited my father, provided him with special Scottish disinfection fluid, if you know what I mean. So he's really happy. As for myself, picked up 2 packages which arrived today. So also just in time for Father's Day, and a perfect Father's Day gift for myself. Another so-called gentleman's knife you might have seen in one of my previous videos. So this one's practically the same, just a different blade profile. As for this, it's herb, or what do you call it? Well, basically herbal tea. I was gonna buy it on AliExpress. It popped up in the results for recommended products. You can see it right here. But I decided to better check how much it costs in Poland. And whilst it's 15 to 17 bucks in China, it was about 15 to 20 zloty in Poland for a quarter of a quantity. So basically it's the same regarding price, but difference is in Poland got it immediately, ordered it yesterday, arrived today. So we'll be checking out that later. Let me just open the web page. It's called in Latin Panax Notoginseng, so you can look it up. Really cool quality, is also very interesting taste, so greatly recommended. But let's take a look at this gentleman's knife. As opposed to the previous shipment, we also got a box, although a bit beat up, as you can see. And just as with the previous shipment, we also got a sheath. Although on this one, the wooden handle looks much nicer. And similar to the earlier one, it opens exactly the same. Although, as you can see, the liner lock doesn't work really well. Although, we won't need to do anything. You just need to flip it open a bit harder, and then it locks in place, as so. So as you can see, the result is repeatable, so it's okay. As for sharpness, I don't seem to have a piece of paper to check it. Here we go. Well, I've got some receipt here. Well, this one is great, really sharp right out of a box. So if you'd like a knife like this, of course you'll find the link below. I guess the thing that it's cutting better might do also with the shape of a blade. The other one has this steep angle here with a, how would you call it? Well, the blade is straight and then it sharply cuts off. So in the place where it's changing the angle, there's a nick which catches on the paper. Here we have a nice smooth curve, so they were able to sharpen it much better. So maybe that's the reason. Let's take a look at our herb. It's wrapped so well, as if dogs weren't able to sniff it out. Well, in the Chinese offer, the flower buds look much larger. Here, they're really, really small. But I guess that's probably the way they took the picture. So, we'll try this later tonight. Country of origin, China. So, Notoginseng, or to be exact, Panax Notoginseng, has been sitting here in hot water. It's not like 70 degrees, so you prepare the infusion similar to green tea. Although green tea is a couple minutes, this you need to keep in this hot water for 10 to 15 minutes to get the full effect. Scent is a bit weird. It reminds me of wet poppy seeds in the field, wet grass. For taste, far from spectacular, some were claiming this taste. Although, actually not that bad. So, let's wait for the effects now. But in the meantime, let's take a look at both of the gentleman's knives. One has this dark handle, this is the earlier one. This one has, I guess, redwood, although it's more brownish color. So let's just look at the blade profiles. As I said, you need to flip it harder so it locks in place. And here you have an exact comparison of both blades. If I were to buy more, it will be definitely this shape, especially considering how sharp it is right out of the box. This one required quite a bit of sharpening. Okay, so that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.